I made a $200 living room look like a $20,000 designer space and nobody could tell. One trick interior designers use costs under $30 and is hidden in every expensive home. By the end, you'll know how to transform any room from cheap to chic. Most of these budget home decor tricks take under an hour. Watch until the end because Trick 10 changes everything overnight. Trick number 1, the paint power play. Expensive looking decor starts with color. 1 gallon of paint costs $30 and transforms any space. But here's the secret, don't paint everything. Choose one accent wall in a rich color like emerald green, navy, or charcoal. These create depth and instant luxury. Avoid builder beige. Go bold on one wall, keep the rest neutral. Pro tip, paint your front door a dramatic color. It makes your entire home look expensive from the curb. Trick number 2, the lighting upgrade secret. Bad lighting kills an expensive vibe instantly. Swap builder-grade ceiling lights for statement fixtures and your room elevates immediately. Find affordable fixtures on Amazon, Wayfair, or IKEA for under $50. Look for texture, woven materials, metal finishes, unique shapes. Can't change fixtures? Add floor and table lamps from thrift stores, then spray paint them with textured paint for a stone look. The game changer? Smart bulbs for $15, control warmth and brightness from your phone for luxury hotel ambiance. Warm lighting equals expensive, cold lighting equals cheap. Trick number 3, the hardware swap magic. This affordable interior design hack takes 30 minutes, costs $40 but makes a $1,000 difference. Replace all your cabinet hardware. Those chrome knobs scream budget rental. Switch to matte black, brushed brass, or antique bronze for an instant custom look. Designer secret, mix shapes, not finishes. Use cup pulls on some cabinets, knobs on others, handles on drawers. Same finish throughout creates intentional, expensive visual interest. Find quality hardware on Amazon for less. Save your old bolts, you might need them. This works on furniture too. New knobs make an old dresser look designer. Trick number 4, the textile transformation. Want luxury on a budget? Think like a 5-star hotel. Use textiles everywhere. Throw pillows are the fastest room refresh. Winter, velvet and wool in deep colors. Summer, linen and cotton in light patterns. Buy cheap inserts, then get or make covers you can swap seasonally. Fresh space year-round for a fraction of furniture costs. Add throws, rugs, and DIY slipcovers. I made a $10 sheet into a custom ottoman cover that looked boutique. Layer different textures in the same color family for a curated, not cheap, look. Trick number 5, the strategic furniture placement. Stop pushing furniture against walls. This inexpensive room makeover costs $0 and transforms how expensive your space feels. Pull your sofa 12 inches from the wall. Create conversation areas with facing chairs. Anchor with an area rug. This creates intimate zones that feel designed. The weird part? It makes your room look bigger. Even in small spaces, floating furniture creates flow and a high-end feel. Think zones, not walls. That's the designer look for less secret. If you're loving these budget decorating tips, hit subscribe now. Drop a comment telling me which trick you're trying first. I read everyone. Trick number 6, the shelf styling formula. Open shelves can look amazing or terrible. The difference. A simple formula, group items in 3s or 5s. Mix heights and textures. Leave blank space. Cramming every inch looks cluttered and cheap. Strategic empty space makes each item look curated. The formula, 1 tall item, 1 medium, 1 small decorative piece. Add a plant or books, stop. Choose a cohesive color palette and stick with it for visual harmony. Pro move, paint floating shelves the same color as your walls for a custom built-in look. Trick number 7, the plant power. Real plants make spaces feel alive and expensive. You don't need a green thumb. Snake plants, pothos, and ZZ plants thrive on neglect and instantly add organic luxury. No natural light? High-quality faux plants look real and last forever. Dried botanicals work too. Dried eucalyptus in your bathroom costs $12 and makes it smell like a spa for months. Thrift stores sell plant pots cheap. Spray paint them in a cohesive color for a designer collection. Greenery equals expensive, empty corners equal cheap. Trick number 8. The art gallery hack: expensive homes have expensive art? Wrong. Download free or cheap printable art from Etsy, print it for under $5, then frame it in budget frames. Nobody knows the difference. The secret is curation. Choose a theme: vintage, botanicals, black and white photos, abstract line art. Stick with it for an intentional look. Vary frame sizes for visual interest. Mix large and small on gallery walls. Game changer. Swap art seasonally. Christmas prints in winter, florals in spring, fresh space without new furniture. Your walls are prime real estate. Use them strategically. Trick number 9. The coffee table styling. Empty coffee tables look unfinished. Cluttered ones look messy. Styled ones, expensive. The 5-element formula: a tray to anchor, a floral element, a candle, 2 to 3 stacked books, 1 personal item with character, 5 items maximum. Too much? Use the rule of 3. Group 3 items with varying heights on a tray. This thrift store home decor trick costs almost nothing but makes your living room look professionally styled. Clear clutter first, style second. Trick number 10. The signature scent. Nobody talks about this. Expensive homes smell expensive. Create a signature scent using candles, diffusers, or simmer pots. Simmer pots cost nothing. Throw citrus, herbs, and spices in a pot of water on your stove for a luxury spa smell. Spring, lemons, rosemary, lavender. Winter, oranges, cinnamon, cloves, pine. People walk in and immediately feel it's more expensive. Scent creates emotional connections. Use the same essential oil blend throughout your home. Consistency equals luxury. This DIY home transformation trick is the overlooked secret weapon. These 10 budget home decor tricks prove you do and need thousands to create a space that looks expensive. You just need to know where to focus. Start with lighting and paint. Those two alone transform your space faster than anything. If you love these affordable interior design tips, smash subscribe and turn on notifications. I'm dropping budget decorating tips weekly that work in real homes. Check out my next video revealing the biggest decorating mistakes that make homes look cheap. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching.